Have you lately been feeling a little dull, lethargic, and lack of energy in your body? Also, many of you experience constipation on a regular basis. There is an accumulation of a white layer on your tongue, and you feel just like that, life is not worth probably living that much, and there is a general dullness in your body. If you're somebody who feels they are tired even after having 6 to 8 hours of sleep, then there is a definite accumulation of toxins in your body. These signs are sometimes just signals that your body is accumulated undigested waste, or ama as we call it in Ayurveda. Sometimes this ama goes for so long that it manifests into diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, inflammation, leaky gut, IBS, IBD, and a variety of other disorders which show symptoms of accumulation of ama. Now, what is ama? Ama is simply the undigested waste. That means your Agni or digestive power was not functioning properly, and when you ate all those food, exposed your body to harsh environments, it ended up collecting those toxins in your body rather than eliminating them out. Today I'm going to tell you 4 basic tips that you have to include in your life if you don't want accumulation of toxins and if you want to eliminate them on a daily basis. Number 1 tip, Nidan Parivarjanam, or removing the causative factors. Whenever you notice that there is a feeling of lethargy, dullness, or lack of energy in your body, remove the causative factors that are known to everybody. Removing junk foods, eating late at night, eating heavy, cold drinks, also eating things that don't go with your Prakriti as well as your Vikriti. If you'd like to know what Prakriti and Vikriti are, watch our video on what's your body type and watch our video on Prakriti versus Vikriti. Number 2, of course, everybody knows that they have to remove all the bad things from their life. But what can you do when you've already accumulated so much waste? And the simplest thing is add a hot water or a warm water regime throughout your day. That means simply sipping hot water in a little thermos, in a little flask all day can also help remove excess ama from your system. This is a simple thing. Now, for a particular accumulation of toxins, if you want to go one step further, start adding herbal teas which include lemon, honey, or herbal teas that suit your particular current imbalance. However, it is important to understand ama is cold and sticky in nature. That means it sits and accumulates and doesn't leave that place easily. To move it, you do need something hot and warm, which is naturally contrary to the Pitta constitution. So Pitta people have to be a little careful while cleansing out their ama and choose herbs and spices that go for both. For example, something like a fennel tea can also stop the accumulation of ama in your body by handling your digestive power. In addition to this, if you want Lekhana herbs like Gugul or probably like Triphala, which is a great combination for eliminating your toxins on a daily basis. Using Triphala is one of the easiest ways to eliminate toxins on a daily basis, and I personally use it probably almost every other month, especially if I'm traveling, because I don't want to carry the environmental toxins inside my gut and I don't want the waste to sit in my colon all the time. Incorporating Triphala is a big recommendation from Maharishi Ayurveda or Ayurveda in general if you want to take care of your toxins. Now moving on to the next tip, which is fasting. Fasting helps your body reset and eliminate toxins on your own. That means fast according to your body type. If you're a Vata body type, you have to ensure that there is not excess breaks between your foods or between your juices. You have to hydrate yourself and not let your stomach be empty for too long. Pitta body type also cannot have fast that incorporate very harsh nature of foods or very harsh fasting itself. Pitta people have to ensure they're hydrated, drink cooling teas, drink cooling juices in small quantities, and eat little bit of food throughout the day. Kapha predominant physiologies are the ones who take fasting the easiest and are also the ones who run away from fasting the most because they don't want to fast. The nature of kapha in your body is similar to that of ama. Ama is just vitiated kapha, and the more kapha you have in your body, the more likely you are to accumulate toxins if your Agni is not functioning well. Hence, kapha people have to be very careful with what they eat. They have to avoid junk foods and they have to eat according to their prakriti. If you're easily gaining weight, you're easily constipated, or you are easily feeling dull and lethargic, that means your kapha is converting into ama very easily and quickly. 1 day a week, you have to fast completely. These are the people who can take harsh fast as compared to vata and pitta people. Number 4th tip is cleansing your mind. The presence of tamas in your body brings about more lethargy, dullness as compared to the presence of sattva. That means anything that is tamasic in nature, like watching movies that are negative, deaths, bloody or gory entertainment, and entertainment that involves a lot of sexual energies are considered tamasic and rajasic in nature. These are the two mental gunas you have to stay away from. Cleanse your mind by practicing transcendental meditation. Transcending the boundaries of thought automatically clears your srotas, clears your mind srotas or mental srotas, and that itself makes you choose better decisions for your life. In the end, what I'd like to say is take care of your Agni or your digestive power. If you're somebody who suffers from low appetite or don't really feel hungry, don't eat it. Let your Agni come back to its normal position, to its sum position, and then start eating. It's okay to miss a meal or a few if you're not feeling hungry. Also, to fix your appetite, you can take a mixture of cut ginger slices with a little bit of lemon and senda namak. This mixture really rekindles your digestive power and helps you digest food much easily. Agni is at the core of toxin accumulation in your body. If you haven't watched our video on digestion type, I would suggest understand your digestion type and fix it the right way so that toxins don't accumulate in your body. There are a variety of other ways that toxins can be detoxified through detox Ayurveda courses, through detox at home, taking Panchkarma, and a variety of other things that a Vaidya can recommend you. So my personal recommendation is call the number on the screen if you'd like a personalized Ayurvedic guidance on how to detox your body. Also, don't forget, Triphala is your best friend. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for joining us. Do subscribe to our channel because we are giving you the authentic Ayurveda updates every week, and also like, comment and share. Jai Gurudev.